Welcome to the FPS UI Design course. This course is dedicated to learning the various aspects of creating UI elements for your first-person shooter. We'll start off by adding in a crosshair that can change colors based on what you're aiming at. Next, we'll learn how to slice up a sprite sheet which contains a variety of UI images we'll use throughout the course. We'll go over how to display and update our current ammo using text elements and our ammo logic scripts. Using a trigger, we'll see how to reduce the health and the armor status bars along with a blood splatter effect which will fade in over time depending on how long we take damage. Minimaps are quite common in a first-person shooter, and in this course you'll learn how to make two different types of minimaps, a camera-based minimap and a UI-based minimap. We also need a way to change weapons, so we're going to be utilizing a UI pop-up that contains buttons which correspond to various weapons. Now these weapons will be enabled or disabled based on which menu item we select. If you're looking to add any type of UI elements to your first-person shooter game, then this course is for you, so let's get started.